What did the farmer and his wife want for their son? किसान और उसकी पत्नी अपने बेटे के लिए क्या चाहते थे? Answer is pet.
What was the pet chosen for the son? बेटे के लिए कौन सा पालतू जानवर चुना गया? Answer is mongoose, नेवला.
How did the farmer's wife feel about leaving the baby with the mongoose? किसान की पत्नी को बच्चे को नेवले के पास छोड़ना कैसा लगा? Answer is fear, डर.
What did the farmer see on the mongoose when his wife returned? जब किसान की पत्नी वापस आई तो उसने नेवले पर क्या देखा? Answer is blood, रक्त.
What did the farmer see on the mongoose when his wife returned? जब किसान की पत्नी वापस आई तो उसने नेवले पर क्या देखा? Answer is blood.
Why did the wife scream when she saw the mongoose? नेवले को देखकर पत्नी क्यों चिल्लाई? Answer is fear.
What did the wife assume the mongoose had done? पत्नी ने सोचा कि नेवले ने क्या किया है? Answer is killed.
What did the wife use to attack the mongoose? नेवले पर हमला करने के लिए पत्नी ने क्या प्रयोग किया? Answer is basket, टोकरी.
What did the wife find near the cradle after attacking the mongoose? नेवले पर हमला करने के बाद पत्नी को पालने के पास क्या मिला? Answer is snake.
How did the wife feel when she realized her mistake? जब पत्नी को अपनी गलती का एहसास हुआ तो उसे कैसा महसूस हुआ? Answer is sad.
What was the mongoose doing when the wife found it dead? जब पत्नी ने नेवला को मरा हुआ पाया तो वह क्या कर रहा था? Answer is sleeping.
What did the wife do after realizing the truth about the mongoose? नेवले की सच्चाई जानकर पत्नी ने क्या किया? Answer is cried.
Who was fast asleep when the wife returned? जब पत्नी लौटी तो कौन गहरी नींद में सो रहा था? Answer is baby.
What did the wife do after crying? रोने के बाद पत्नी ने क्या किया? Answer is feed.
What emotion did the wife feel after understanding the situation? स्थिति को समझने के बाद पत्नी के मन में क्या भावना आई? Answer is regret.
What lesson can be learned from this story? इस कहानी से क्या सीख मिलती है? Answer is fear can cloud judgment. डर फैसले पर असर डाल सकता है.
Fill in the blanks. The farmer and his wife wanted a blank for their son. Answer is pet.
The farmer brought home a blank as a pet. Answer is mongoose.
The farmer's wife felt afraid to leave the baby with the blank. Answer is mongoose.
The wife returned home to find the mongoose with blank on it. Answer is blood.
Mistakenly, the wife thought the mongoose had harmed the blank. Answer is baby.
She attacked the mongoose with a blank. Answer is basket.
Near the cradle, the wife found a blank. Answer is snake.
Upon realizing her mistake, the wife felt blank. Answer is sad.
The mongoose was found blank when the truth was discovered. Answer is sleeping.
The wife cried upon seeing the blank mongoose. Answer is dead.
The baby was blank when the wife returned home. Answer is sleeping.
After crying, the wife went to blank the baby. Answer is feed.
The wife felt blank after understanding her mistake. Answer is regretful.
The story teaches us that blank can cloud judgment. Answer is fear.
The wife acted blank in her haste. Answer is rashly.
Give the answers in true or false. The farmer and his wife wanted a pet for their son. किसान और उसकी पत्नी अपने बेटे के लिए एक पालतू जानवर चाहते थे. Answer is true.
The farmer brought home a grown mongoose. किसान एक बड़ा हुआ नेवला घर ले आया. Answer is false.
The mongoose grew to be a large animal with black and white fur. नेवला बड़ा होकर काले और सफेद फर वाला एक बड़ा जानवर बन गया. Answer is false.
The farmer's wife was nervous about leaving the baby alone with the mongoose. किसान की पत्नी बच्चे को नेवले के साथ अकेला छोड़ने से घबरा रही थी. Answer is true.
The farmer's wife left for the market after putting the baby to sleep in the crib. किसान की पत्नी बच्चे को पालने में सुलाकर बाजार चली गई. Answer is true.
The farmer stayed at home to watch the baby while his wife was gone. जब उसकी पत्नी कहीं गई हुई थी तो किसान बच्चे की देखभाल के लिए घर पर रुका था. Answer is false.
The farmer's wife returned home to find the mongoose playing with the baby. किसान की पत्नी घर लौटी तो उसने नेवले को अपने बच्चे के साथ खेलते हुए पाया. Answer is false.
The mongoose's face and paws were covered in milk when the wife returned. जब पत्नी वापस लौटी तो नेवले का चेहरा और पंजे दूध से ढके हुए थे. Answer is false.
The farmer's wife believed the mongoose had killed her baby. किसान की पत्नी को विश्वास था कि नेवले ने उसके बच्चे को मार डाला है. Answer is true.
The farmer's wife hit the mongoose with a basket full of vegetables. किसान की पत्नी ने सब्जियों से भरी टोकरी नेवले पर मारी. Answer is true.
The baby was unharmed when the wife found him. जब पत्नी ने बच्चे को पाया तो उसे कोई नुकसान नहीं हुआ था. Answer is true.
The wife discovered a dead snake next to the crib. पत्नी को पालने के बगल में एक मरा हुआ सांप मिला. Answer is true.
The wife realized the mongoose had protected the baby from the snake. पत्नी को एहसास हुआ कि नेवले ने बच्चे को सांप से बचाया है. Answer is true.
The mongoose survived the attack from the wife. पत्नी के हमले से नेवला बच गया. Answer is false.
The farmer's wife felt regretful about her actions. किसान की पत्नी को अपने किए पर बहुत पछतावा हुआ. Answer is true.
The story emphasizes the importance of patience. कहानी धैर्य के महत्व पर जोर देती है. Answer is true.
Trust is a major theme explored in the story. विश्वास कहानी में खोजा गया एक प्रमुख विषय है. Answer is true.
The farmer's wife acted thoughtfully when she returned home. घर लौटकर किसान की पत्नी ने सोच समझकर काम किया. Answer is false.